Updating your legal name on your Starling bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Before you start the process, make sure you have the necessary documents ready. This typically includes a government-issued ID with your new name, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Step 2. Log into your Starling bank account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the name change section. Once loaded in, go to the account settings or profile section. Look for the option related to personal details or name changes. This is where you can initiate the update process. Step 4. Submit your name change request. Follow the prompts to submit your name change request. You may be required to upload the documents you gathered earlier. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, you should receive a confirmation message or email from Starling Bank. Keep an eye on your notifications for any updates regarding the status of your name change. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in your Starling Bank account. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support for assistance.